Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chelsea and today's video is just going to be my favorite baby products. I'm coming live to you from the nursery, which is an absolute mess, but it's reality. Okay, I just got back from a trip and I just haven't been able to tidy anything, and I have to keep my daughter happy whilst trying to do tasks around the house, and it's just long. Anyways, so she's currently in her little chair having a play, and I'm going to record this video. So the first item on my baby favorite products list is this vitamin D drops. These vitamin D drops, oh my gosh, I have serious brain fog. But basically, if you're breastfeeding, then you have to give your baby vitamin D drops. I did have these ones to begin with, so these are the Well Baby ones, and it comes with a syringe. But what I found was that the syringe wasn't really smooth. So like, by smooth I mean like you can't like syringe it into her mouth smoothly, and it'd always be jerky. Like, you push the syringe and then it just like squirts a little bit out, or it squirts too much out and then she starts choking, and it's just not a pleasant experience. Whereas with this, like, it just has like a pipette and you do like a drop and then it's done. So I found this to be a more pleasant experience than using these ones. This was a gift from someone, but I'll put a link down below because I feel like you can get them from Amazon, and it has 2,000 drops approximately, and you just do one drop a day. So yeah, I feel like it works really well. You can either drop it into their mouth, so that's what I do, or you can put it on your nipple when you're breastfeeding and they can get it in. So yeah, that's my first one. Second one is these different like sensory balls. So there's a few of them, but obviously with like sensory things, it teaches the babies like different textures, and also it works on their ability to like grab things. Like, as you can see, she's gonna grab it from me. So these are really good. I got these from John Lewis, and they are the brand, I can't remember the brand, but I'll put them down below. But they're really good for the fact that it teaches her to grab, and they've all got like different textures. There's 6 of them, but you know, with babies, like, things just be everywhere. Let me see if I can see where the other ones are. So there's the 2 that I just showed you, and then there's this one which is a bit squash, and there's another one which is her favourite, but I'm not really sure what that one is. But also I find with these that she uses them to like gnaw and numb her teeth, but she's currently teething at the moment. So they're like multi-purpose in that sense, and also when you squeeze them they make a fun noise which she's interested in. So yeah, it comes in a pack of 6. I don't know where they all are, but these are really good as well. When your baby starts to like grab at things, I find these have been really helpful. Next thing, which I've mentioned on my channel before, are the Kit and Kin nappies. So these are, my baby's nearly 5 months old, and I would say like this is one of my favourite products so far. So we do them in a subscription where you get a pack of, like, how much is in the pack? So you get 40 nappies times 4, and it's £30 a month, or every 5 weeks, 6 weeks, however long you need them. And so far these are the only nappies that don't leak for us. Like, it's amazing. Like, we leave. Hey, what's wrong? What's the matter? Do you just want mummy's attention? Hey. These are the only ones that don't leak for us. We've started like not changing her nappy overnight to see if it helps with whether she decides to wake up at 3 AM or not. Doesn't work, but yeah, it lasts through the whole night of wheeze. Like, it doesn't leak. Really amazing. So they are a bit more expensive than other nappies, but they are the only ones that don't leak for us, so it's a no-brainer really. On to my next favourite product whilst trying to entertain my daughter, and it is these. So these are reusable nappies. So we do a mixture of reusable and disposable. These are the Kit and Kin, sorry, these are the Little Lamb ones. The disposable ones are Kit and Kin, disposable ones are Kit and Kin, reusable ones are Little Lamb, and this is the all-in-one pocket nappy. So you can like adjust the size and stuff as they grow. I've already talked about these on my channel, so I'm not going to go into detail, but these are amazing, and They are from Little Lamb, and I'll link them down below. Next favourite baby product is this, which I've been keeping from her so she doesn't make loads of noise whilst I do the video. So this was sent to me by my best friend Megan, and I think she got it off of Etsy. And as you can see, this is another like sensory toy. So it's got like loads of different things that the baby can grab. This side is got like little bubbles, and this side is just full of like farm animals and stuff, and she loves this. Like I think she just loves the noise that it makes, and she also chews on it. Babies get to stage where they chew on everything, so this is like one of her favourite things to play with. I'm thinking, should I hand it over to her or not, because then when I hand it over to her, that's all you're going to be able to hear, so probably not a good idea. Next thing on my list is a cellular blanket. So this was one of the first purchases I made when I found out I was pregnant, and it is here. So this cellular blanket for me is really good because if you don't know how it works, when it's cold it keeps the baby warm, and when it's hot it cools them down. So this works really well, and I've only got one, but I think one is enough because we've got loads of blankets. But I would say that this is a really good product to have for your baby, especially because the weather in the UK is always switching up. It's dirty, it needs to be washed. Next thing on my list, which is not in this room, is a Doona. So I'll insert a little video here, but the Doona is basically the car seat that changes into a stroller, and it's really amazing for small spaces. Like when we go to my mum's house, because babies require so many things, we take the Doona because I can roll it around the streets of Watford when I go to Watford, but also it's easy to just put into a car seat if I want to go somewhere. So I don't need to take a car seat. I don't know if you can hear me. I don't need to take a car seat and a stroller and wheels and all sorts. Like, it's just really convenient. I would recommend it like if you're going away for a weekend or somewhere into the city. Wouldn't recommend for countryside because the wheels are really small, but it is really amazing, and it's a bit expensive, but I think it's really worth like the price if you have a small space, or if you're going to be doing lots of trips into like cities and stuff like that. Next thing on my list is this. So this is a sleeping bag, and I think I've talked about baby sleeping bags before. This is a new one that we just got. If you look at it up close, it doesn't look new anymore. It's just covered in milk and ice cream from when I eat my ice cream at midnight. I did try get it out. I feel like I need to get some stain remover or something, but this is the Snooze sleeping bag or sleeping pouch, and it is from 6 to 18 months, so it does look massive, but let me tell you. Hey, what's wrong? Trying to entertain my daughter whilst we're doing. Here you go, Baba. Here you go. So it's from 6 to 18 months, but our daughter is like a giraffe. She is very long, so I decided to go for this one because it's really good for her long body, and also this is a 2.5 tog. Hold on a minute. You want to get out? Do you want to get out? Come, let me get you out. So as I was saying, the sleeping bag is really good. It's the Snooze UK one, so you know the brand Snooze Pod that you get all the like bedside cots from. This is also from them, and it's super duper soft and comfy, and it's a 2.5 tog, which means you use it like during the winter months and spring months when it's cold outside. I got it again. I got this from John Lewis, but you can get it from the Snooze website, and I think it was £36, but it is really worth it. I find the higher the tog you go, so the higher the, what does tog even stand for? I feel like I knew like a week ago, and now my brain has forgotten. But the higher the tog, the more expensive it costs, because obviously there's more material to it. But yeah, I would definitely recommend the sleeping bag, and it's definitely one of my favourite products. I feel like when she sees it comes out, she knows like it's bedtime. We only use it for bedtime, like in the nighttime naps. We don't use it in the daytime. But I feel like she really sort of knows now that the sleeping bag's out, it's time to go to sleep. Yeah, I think that's my favorite baby products. That's all I have to list for now. Actually, one more thing, which is this, which she's sitting in, and it's a Fisher Price, I think it's a Fisher Price 3-in-1 chair or something like that. It was a gift, so I'll put what it exactly is across the screen in a minute, and I'll also link it down below. But it has like two sections, two settings, and you can put the baby, like when they're newborn, you can put them into the lowest one so they're lying flat-ish, and then as they get older and they want to sit up and explore, then you can put them, raise the seat up higher, and she really loves it. She hits like all the toys, and this goes across the front, so she's been playing with those a lot more recently, so that's really entertaining. It's really entertaining for her. It's really entertaining for her, and she really loves it. And also it has a strap, so you strap your babies in so they don't try and escape like this little girl does. Okay, that is the end of this video. If you made it this far, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, and comment down below your favorite baby products, and hopefully I'll be back with another video soon, if this little one lets me, because she is literally a busy bee right now. But yeah, I forgot to say, these are my favorite baby products for a 5-month-old. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye. Say bye. Bye.